In this lecture, we are going to be talking about REBT and negative thinking. We're going to go through the power of negativity and how it can affect us. We need to be able to distinguish between healthy and unhealthy negative thinking, because believe it or not, negative thinking can sometimes be positive and healthy if it was assessed properly. As we're going to be talking throughout the course about rational emotive behavior therapy, we know that the main idea behind rational emotive behavior therapy is rationalization. And we need to keep in mind that we cannot be emotionally numb. We are going to have certain emotions that are going to bring out negative thoughts. We cannot avoid it, but we can definitely control it. Rational negative thinking will give us the ability to distinguish between those thoughts, emotions, and feelings that are positive in terms of their effect and those that are negative in terms of their effect. When we talk about healthy negative emotions, we are talking about a rational emotional response that would help us change unrealistic expectations, accept or overcome the circumstances or whatever it is that we went through that generated this negativity. In a nutshell, it is a constructive negativity. When you are in a toxic relationship and you start having negative thoughts about it, the fact that you're in a toxic relationship is by itself a problem. And when you start having negative thoughts that would kind of push you to get out of the relationship, this is you having constructive negative thoughts, healthy, rational negative thoughts that would aim to take you towards what's best for you. And avoiding those healthy negative thoughts can be detrimental. Now, unhealthy negative thinking, on the other hand, can be viewed as an irrational, emotional, or thought-related response to an event. It would disable our ability to accept, overcome, or build upon whatever it is that we went through. And to wrap it up, just for you to understand some of the emotions and feelings that can be related to healthy and unhealthy negative thinking. When you feel regret, when you feel concern, this regret is a negative emotion that can push you towards working towards the object that you regret. Concern can push you to be curious about what it is that you're concerned about, learn more about it, and solve the problem. Unhealthy negative thinking can lead to emotions and thoughts of shame, jealousy, envy, and guilt. And all of those, generally and by default, can result in unconstructive negative thinking that is related to an unhealthy, emotional, and thoughtful, rational processing.